Hi everyone. Today I've gotten this electricity box for Homi Bhabha preparation by Rahul Ogale. Let's do all the activities. This kit has a yellow base, motor, siren, fan blade, battery holder, battery connector, pair of 1.5 volt batteries, 9 volt battery, two way switches, small and large L brackets, a thick iron wire, crocodile clips, U clips, neodymium magnet, push button, continuity tester, red pulley with nut bolt, metal washers, aluminium foil, screwdriver, laminated copper wire, insulated wire, trimmed pieces of insulated wire, white tie pieces, instruction booklet, LEDs, LED holders, large nuts and a screw, long screw, cutter, penknife, and 10k ohm resistor, brass nails, screw, nuts, bolts, rubber washer, magnetic compass, rubber band, and a small white pulley. Some points to note. LED and siren have polarity. So only if you connect the battery in a specific direction, but the motor will work anyway. Do not connect the 9 volt battery to LEDs. Use the battery holder with the two 1.5 volt batteries. And the same battery connector fits both the batteries. If an instrument does not work, check if the batteries are worn out or if any connection is loose. And also try white ties instead of screws to fix things to the base for avoiding short circuits. For better presentation, mount the apparatus and conceal the wires below the base. Let's do the pre-work first. One second. So let's prepare an LED. For this, you can take the LED, this little thing which is called an LED holder, two wires of any kind, but the insulation has to be stripped off at both ends, and an L bracket, a small L bracket, Chintu. So first take this and pull it open, and then put the LED through these two little holes. On this side there is a positive marking and a negative marking. Remember, the longer leg is positive, so it has to come out of the positive side and it has to come out first. Put it all the way up till here. See, you have this, take the holes, put it in, and check that the positive part is positive and the negative part is negative. Now your LED is wearing a coat. Okay, just kidding. Bend the legs as shown. Like this. Like this. And then fold them down a little. Your LED should now look somewhat like this. Then take the wire and put it on one end of the LED. I recommend the two wires being different colors so that you can remember which is positive and which is negative. Then take it. Oops. Take it and wrap it around one leg of the LED. So this is your LED and this is the wire, and just put the wire and 1 second. And then fold this leg back in on itself, which will hook the wire onto the LED. Don't pull it too hard though. So now you have something like this. Tape it together with sellotape. Remember to keep it tight. Do the same for the other. Now take the L bracket and put one side on the LED. Remember to keep it facing down. And then take the top part that we removed earlier and fix it firmly on the LED. Then using a screw you can mount this onto the side, and tada! Your LED is prepared. So let's just keep this aside. And now how to use the battery holder and both the batteries. For the 9-volt battery, you can remove this and connect it directly onto the 9-volt battery. Remember, circle to hexagon, hexagon to circle. Press it. There, it's that easy. For the 1.5 volt batteries, it's a bit harder. I like to keep it in a plastic cover so that it can't accidentally discharge. If you keep it like this without the plastic cover, all the electricity will just flow out onto the metal plate and it will drain itself. So first you take the battery holder, which as you can see has this. So you just connect this to it like you did with the 9-volt battery. Remember, circle to hexagon, hexagon to circle. Then take one battery, put the flat end onto the spring and connect it. Do the same with the other battery and you're done. This is pretty simple actually. Now how to connect a crocodile clip. See, first loosen the screw on the side of the crocodile clip. Then wrap the wire around it, around the screw. And then tighten the screw. You may want to use a screwdriver to keep it really snug and tight. It is advisable to use crocodile clips of different colors to keep track of which is positive and which is negative. So like this. It might not work perfectly the first time, but soon, as shown. Then clamp the other end of the crocodile clip onto the wire. If this is too complicated or you just don't feel like doing it, you can use the crocodile clips clamp to hold two wires together like this. Just hold the two wires together and put the crocodile clip. Done. Now I'll just put the batteries. And boom, you now have your first working project. Congratulations. Then, if you want to mount the LED on the board, take this kind of screw, the long one, and properly mount the LED. Then attach crocodile clips to the LED and position it on the side of the board. Screw it on. Then put both the batteries in the battery holder. And connect the crocodile clips.